nga Mama Ghetto, amanya ze Nagaja, Claire, Selina. Badde nsaba njogere mu Luzungu abantu abalala basobole okumanya ki kye tuliko wano. Our press people, Omukulu Tony Sempija, Ghetto President-elect, His Excellency Butcherman, and the promoters here who are affected by the injustices in the creative industry, we thank you for coming here. We thank you for gathering on behalf of those who are not able to speak due to the COVID-19 pandemic and restrictions. Some are unable to travel from far. We are not allowed to gather in masses, but for those who could make it, we thank you. We are here because there have been some injustices in the creative industry. When I say creative industry, I am including musicians, artists, poets, photographers, dancers, everybody who gives life, because you've heard of the saying that music is life. Plato once said that music gives a soul to the universe, it gives wings to the mind, flight to imagination, and life to everything. If music is life, then we expect that the elders of the music industry will water it with positivity, equality. They will water it with love. They will water it with paying for others, for upcoming artists. Therefore, it is a big shame that we have elders in the industry that have not thought of the upcoming artists. They have not thought to water this industry so that it shall give life to Ugandans. The music industry, the creative industry at large, is used to gather people, to bring people together. But sadly, right now, the music industry is a hotspot for divisions due to politics. Therefore, the Ghetto President, together with Tony Sempija, are putting together an effort so that the stakeholders in the creative industry will know the truth that the government has a plan to water this industry and bring it to life. Among those plans, as Tony Sempija stated, is a COVID relief fund. This COVID relief fund is meant to go out to artists, promoters, musicians. But there is a very tough spot when it comes to promoters. These are people who had already invested in their shows before quarantine. We therefore request that the people in charge of this fund take a step, hold back, and scrutinize very well who should get this fund. Therefore, this will promote equality and fairness when it comes to distribution of funds. On a special note, I will speak on behalf of General Salim Saleh to inform all the stakeholders of the creative industry that there is a plan, a very good plan, that if we get rid of all these differences, greed and injustices, will put the Ugandan creative industry on an international market. That is the Creative Industry Hub, otherwise known as the one-stop center that the government intends to implement at the Bwebaja site. We all know that big hotel. It is a very good spot for videography, music. They intend to put music studios, film sites, innovation centers, training centers, so that musicians will be able to put out music that is on an international level, so that the music industry will also put Uganda on the international map. Therefore, although I am not an immediate stakeholder in the creative industry, as a mother, Mama Ghetto, there are many children in the way we say Mama Africa. There is what we know as Mama Ghetto. Mama Ghetto is a united tribes of Uganda. There are many young talented children. We know Fresh Kid, you've heard of Felista, you've heard of Kapiripiti. So it is a shame that bajjajja baabwe babeera bila akasente kasita kaagwa ku mmeeza. We need to be fair. My message as a mother is twagalane, tusimagane, creative industry ereeta obulamu mu ffe. Thank you.